This is a 5-minute repair that could be a little longer, and I do apologize. This is the Radclo controller. The little stems, the gimbal holders, they come off. If you look at them real carefully, they got a little hole in it. And let me show you what it looks like with the controller. And they got no screw threads. They're just pushed on like so. So once you place them on, all you do is just push down. They're held in by force. That's something that the company needs to make the sticks threadable. And the sticks that are on Spectrum, they are threadable, so you don't lose them. Get some Gorilla Clear glue, put a little dab of glue on it. Make sure you don't get it around the gimbal itself, and that'll hold on for sure. Well, what if you lose one? What are you going to do? Look around the house. I got a cap here. Maybe this cap will fit. This is called a wire nut. Inside the wire nut, it's got a little piece of metal, thread, spring. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try it now. I'm going to cut it. Right about here. I don't need it to be that tall, but I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to fit it on there. Well, you see me grind it, piece of metal, and I got to get an R that I got to widen up this hole. And I got one of those tools, and I'm not going to shave that down. I'm going to see if it fits in there. I don't want to force it on too tight. Now, wire nuts, they work on a screw. I want to make sure the stick goes all the way up, all the way down, all the way to the sides. There we go. Perfect, man. Yeah, metal file. I just make sure I round my edges. Let's just get some glue on this one. That's glue. Put it on there. Press on. Now remember, when you do this, this whole thing's going to spin. Clean it up. Close your glue down. Now I'm ready to go have some fun with some thick sticks. I hope this repair was enjoyable. If you ever lose them, man, wire nuts. They'll do any type of repair for these sticks. And let me tell you, I don't care if it's a different color. If I wanted it black, I'd take a black magic marker. I like the orange, believe it or not. I know that's my up and down and counterclockwise, clockwise rotation. And there you go. I hope this repair was to your liking. Post down below. I'll listen to your comment. And I thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy your Radclo drone. If you're looking for repairable blades, look for 2-inch replacement blades. Take off the screws and hope that helps you out. Enjoy.